Alright, so I think I finally fixed this thing. I found, I don't know if you guys can see, it doesn't really matter. It's got green stuff on it. I was just looking at this thing. I was getting ready to order the op amp for it. For the Watts Electronics peak board. Anyway, I just replaced this one. Got it in there, calibrated it. This time it actually works. So I've had it in there before. It kind of worked, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. I figured somebody had calibrated it with the slug in it or something, or I did, or who knows. So, anyways, right now I made this little bottle cap thing to fit in the back plate of my early coaxial dynamics type of meter. This is 1981. Got it from my buddy Mike. Anyway, with peak on, the noise that you're hearing is my solar. We're in 5x, so this scale right here, 500 watt slug, would be 2500. You could use the top scale, or you could just say 5 times whatever these other ones you want to look at. So we get the amp on over here. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are just a little bit past the 10 over there. A couple notches past, probably 1200 watts. Now, you can turn off the peak, which is going to take a minute for the light to go out. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that the meter behaves quite a bit differently. I'm reading near the 500 mark. So, but we know that we're putting out more than that. Now, with just the radio on, this should be about 150 to 180 watts. So, we probably, that should be 500, I don't know, I guess 250. We should be somewhere right in there. Yeah. So, I don't know how accurate that scale is. So we'll be in the middle scale now. And with the middle scale, this is going to be a 500 watt slug. So I'm going to look at the 0 to 50 scale. And we're about over 150. Now, if you have something like a 101, don't do this. The 6146s can handle this. Okay, 2x. So 2x should be 1,000 watts. We'll just look at this one down here. Closer to about 180. 180 is about what this puts out with a carrier. So now we can't really use this with the amplifier on. But we'll key it really quick just to see what it does. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. And since I am actually in RMS mode, I can sit here and do this. Shy of 800. So now we'll put it in peak, and it's probably gonna hit the needle. All right. Yep. So, I don't know how terribly accurate any of this is. This is the same reference as a bird meter. Now, I don't know what they are. They're like 5% accurate. That's not very accurate, but if you want something better, you need to get something like an LP100, LP500. So, for now, I mean, this is cool to have, but I don't really pay attention to it. I know what my amplifier puts out. I know what my radio puts out, but if I need to test something else, it's good to have this. So, anyways, I finally got this working. I'm pretty happy. Thanks for the board, Clark. And, yeah. So it works. Thanks for watching, guys.